everybody, back to you again with another video. We're about to do a 10-minute full body dumbbell workout. The last video we set up and we worked on our core and we was focused on shredding fat. Now in this video, we're about to focus on building muscle. So we want to shred the fat and now we want to build the muscle. Summertime is getting close, so we want to stay consistent in our fitness goals. So let's do this 10-minute workout routine. You can pretty much do it anywhere if you got dumbbells anywhere. But right now we're in the home and we're about to get started. Let's go. All right guys, so this first exercise is gonna be push-up deadlifts. Take your time with this exercise. Just get a weight that you can handle and then we're just gonna go into it. Remember, it's not about the speed, it's just your form. Ready? Let's start. Guys, our next exercise is thrusters. If 2 dumbbells is too heavy, then use 1 above your head. But we're gonna go with thrusters on this one. So just get ready and let's get into it. Seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, done. Okay, next exercise, guys, is deadlift bent over rows. This is a great compound movement and all that. Like I said, if 2 dumbbells is heavy, just get 1. I'm about to start. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Take it to that shin. Try to keep your back as straight as possible. Seconds. Good work, guys. Good work. Okay, so our next exercise is going to be single arm dumbbell swings. And we're going to switch halfway through. So get yourself ready. Let's get into it. Switch. Five seconds. Okay, now next exercise is dumbbell squat plus lunge. So take your time, get ready for it, because it's gonna hit the thighs for sure. Let's get it. Seconds. Last one. Okay, good stuff. Now the next exercise is diamond push-ups. Don't worry about how many you do. Just take your time, get used to them, and just get used to the form. Let's go now. 10 seconds. Last one. All right. Now, next exercise is going to be curls. Full extension and bring it to the peak. Keep them out like this. And let's go. Squeeze. To do tricep kickbacks. Fully extend all the way. Bend over. More seconds. Last one. Woo. Now we're about to go for lateral raises. Fully extend out, because you know what? Shoulders. Them shoulder boulders. So let's get into it. Chest big, raise. Feel that? Seconds. Last one. Woo. Next exercise, dumbbell chair sit up. We're going to switch halfway through. routine, we're hitting our whole body. So now, the next workout, we're gonna go back into cutting more. We're gonna pretty much just be shredding the fat and building the muscle through this series. That was a hell of a workout, good job. You know what I'm saying? Stay strong. Never worry about how fast you can do any workout. Just work on your form. As you see, if you make a mistake here and there, that's normal, that's part of it. If you don't have no dumbbells, get you certain things. Get you books, get you some water jugs, whatever you can grab, some rocks, I don't care. Just get to it. One thing is, as men, we got to keep working out. That's law, period. It's not an option. That's law. So you're gonna be different and you're gonna follow law. Because I promise you, the more you work out and the more your body develop, you're gonna look around and the more your life gonna develop. So just keep that in mind, and that's food for thought. Much love. All right, y'all.